Well, I got it all together. Put some gas in it for the break-in. And lo and behold, it started pouring out like Niagara Falls. You can see right there is a crack. Starts up here and goes right to there. So if you're ever wondering how to get plasti dip off, apparently gas works well. Spewing out pretty good. You can see there. Fortunately, I didn't put a whole lot of gas in it because it was only the break-in fuel, 15 to 1. You're supposed to run it for a while, but that's enough. Well, if nothing else, it'll be clean. I'll have to sand that down, drain it out, clean it up. Looks like it goes up to right there. Yeah, there's the end of it. And the other end is right about there. So here's my crack on my YZ125 tank. And because there was so much paint on it, you couldn't see it. You can see it's actually 2 cracks. This one doesn't go all the way through, but that one is definitely going to be an issue. I just started a little quick fix here and realized I should film this. So I'm going to show you the soldering iron plastic repair trick. It goes without saying you got to drain the gas out of it and let it purge for a while to get the fumes out as well. Soldering iron doesn't get that hot, but why risk it, right? Here's the end right there, and the other end is just past where I started, or just inside from where I started fixing it here. We're just going to wait for the soldering iron to heat up a bit. Okay, soldering iron is good and hot, and all you're really doing here is walking along, push in. You're only going in maybe a 1/16 of an inch. And it'll work pretty quick. So you can see the idea there. So by stabbing it, you're actually penetrating down into the crack. And there's, if you look really closely, you can still faintly see a crack. So what you could do then is you can actually go along afterwards and try to smooth it out a bit, get these rough edges and pull them back down in. Like so. That just gives you a little bit more assurance. Yeah, a lot of guys will stop at just doing the stabby part, but they don't smooth it out after. And you can make a repair like this almost disappear if you're crafty at it. You got a good steady hand. That's pretty solid repair. And the key is, it doesn't look like somebody went at it with a frickin' chainsaw. Okay, that's fairly smooth, it cools quick. And if I can actually go back now and sand that if I wanted to a little bit with some fine grit, and it'd take the little rough edges off, and that's almost ready for paint.